Sarah Hatcher today, who is the costume designer for Top Girls. Can you tell us a bit about that?
Well, the costume for Top Girls is quite era-specific in a range of ways. We have the 80s of the second and third acts, and then we have the all-over-the-shop eras in the first act, maybe like 1600s. There's Japanese women, there's folklore women, there's a pope. It's very interesting and trying to. Yes.
And are you enjoying looking for those costumes?
Oh, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. Yeah. Finding all these antique clothes is just beautiful.
And who are you playing in Top Girls?
I'm playing Griselda, Janine and Nell.
Oh, quite a few. Can you tell us a little bit about those characters?
Yes. Well, Griselda is a character, a princess character from folklore. Janine is a girl coming in to try and find a job at the employment agency. And Nell is a girl who works at the office with Marlene.
Well, there you have it. Come see Top Girls and Look Back in Anger starting on the 30th of May.
This was never on, was it?